When I say, "Oh, Daebak," what does it mean? Today, we're going to study about the word Daebak. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 114. Daebak. Daebak. This is a two-syllable word. The first syllable is de, second syllable is bak. Pronounce it with me. Daebak. Daebak. Daebak is used to express your amazement. So it's similar to saying amazing or awesome. Now, how do we spell Daebak in Hangeul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable de in Hangeul, we need to draw first a dikot character followed by an e character. And then for the second syllable bak, we need to draw first a biyuk character followed by an a character followed by a giyuk character. And then we just have to combine the Hangeul for each of the syllables to form the Hangeul of the word Daebak. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of Daebak, let's look into this expression. It says, "Oh, that's awesome." Oh, that's awesome. The Korean translation of this phrase is, "Oh, Daebak." This is used when you are amazed or you are in awe of something. Just a note, Daebak is actually a Korean slang, and a slang is usually spoken than written, and this is usually in informal form. I know that just like me, you kept on hearing this from Korean dramas, but take note that this is usually spoken than written because this is a Korean slang. Again, this is used when you see or hear something awesome. Looking back to this example phrase at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase, "Oh, Daebak," is simply, "Oh, that's awesome." And with that, you've just learned Daebak. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 104 to 113. But don't forget that our word for today is Daebak, and this is used as a Korean slang to say amazing. Word number 113 is bap, and this is the Korean noun for rice or meal. Word number 112 is yeonghwa, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Word number 111 is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. Word number 110 is 진짜 or 진짜, and this is used to informally say really. Word number 109 is ge, and this is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is undong, and this is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is gongbu, and this is the Korean noun for studies. Word number 106 is sarange, and this is an informal way of saying I love you. Word number 105 is mukbang, and this is the Korean noun for eating broadcast. And the last for our review is word or phrase number 104, oranmania, which means long time no see. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.